This may come as a surprise to some of you out there, but dogs require food and water. Big dogs don't get to be the big dogs by living on the dew of the universe, if you know what I mean. Providing said food and water on a daily basis is preferable, so get with the program, you in number 4. I'm a dog, not a camel, and if I don't get water in my bowl, I'll give you 3 guesses where I'm going to get it. This may also explain why my tongue occasionally turns blue. Hey, don't get me wrong. If it's good enough for our chow friends out there, it's good enough for me. I guess what I'm trying to say, if I'm saying anything at all, is that small dogs only get to be big dogs when you feed and water them. Not once, not twice, but consistently. Let me spell it out for you cats out there who still may not be getting it. consistently. That means every time you get a little moolah, you'll put some of it in your investment account. Before you know it, that 2-figure account that looked like one of those weird-looking cats with no fur, which by the way really freaked me out, has grown into a Great Dane. It is never too late to get started. And human number 4, stop playing video games and go fill up my food and water dishes. Woof. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and maybe even like this video if you're so inclined. Who's a good human? You are. Woof.